American outdoor grills are made with a stylish, sleek appearance. The rounded hood and contoured face feature a satin finish that enhances any outdoor kitchen. The new L-Series grill features an electronic push-button ignition system that does not require batteries. It also includes interior halogen lights, ideal for night grilling. Other AOG features include seamless polished trim for the best possible outer appearance, advanced stainless steel burners with a 15-year warranty, rounded-edged vaporizer panels that ensure even heat distribution, reduce flare-ups, and raise flavor into the meal being prepared, stainless steel cooking grids that will perform wonderfully and stay reliable for years to come, a larger analog thermometer capable of recording temperatures of up to 1,000 degrees, framed in polished stainless steel, and a built-in infrared backburner for optimal rotisserie grilling.